Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix media freezer not cooling. If your media freezer not cooling, then you will need to perform a reset for that. First, press and hold lock for 3 seconds to unlock the control panel. Then press the lock and this button at the same time for 3 seconds to reset the freezer to factory default. The panel beep and all of the indicators turn on for 3 seconds. If the compressor is running, it pause for 5 minutes, then restart. So these are the steps you need to follow if you want to reset your freezer. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.